Good Saturday, everyone. Khambrel Marshall, KPRC2 meteorologist. Another day of heat advisory once again, as our feels like temperatures, our heat index expected to be at least in the 108 degree category. And when we do that, we want to make sure that we remind you once again to stay hydrated, drink water. When we say hydrated, we mean drink water, not beer, not wine, not anything but water, not sugar drinks. Water is the best thing to do. Take frequent breaks if you're going to be doing anything outdoors. Air conditioning, shade, sunscreen are really key this time of the year when we have all of this heat. Light clothing as well, light colored and light in weight. The light colors actually helps to reflect some of the heat. So that's a good thing. And it's also a good thing to keep in mind your neighbors, your pets, your children. You have to watch out for at all times. With the heat advisory area, pretty much all of southeast Texas is a lot broader than that, actually, with the feels like temperatures between 108 and 110. Normally, we're 94 degrees. We're going to be above that today at Bush and Hobby, 100. Close to record territory, closest in Hobby Airport, 93 in Galveston, pretty good distance away from the record there of 96 degrees. As I'm taping this for you, we're talking about almost 90 degrees already, and this is the timing of this is just now, 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning before we start to see these feels like temperatures, already 108 in Galveston. So it's a good reason the heat advisory has already been issued. Feels like 108 there, and it's going to warm up inland. It feels like temperatures are going to be a lot hotter. This is why it's all happening here. With high pressure that's well off into the Gulf that's helping to pump in on the surface the moisture. That moisture coming in really settles in, and that gives us that nice humid atmosphere, makes you want to perspire a lot more. Rain is up to the upper Midwest and over the East Coast, but then you have the upper level high pressure. You see, which over the state of Texas, sinking air is all around that. That sinking air is what inhibits rain from happening and compresses the atmosphere and heats up the atmosphere. That's why we have these temperatures as hot as they are right over us. So the next several days, no rain in the forecast, just zero there. And then over the next several days as well, high temperatures are going to be on the hot side as well. Pretty close to record territory in some of those days, but above average, well above average temperatures. And the feels like temperatures, the heat index, looks like it's going to keep us in the heat advisory space for quite some time over the next several days here going forward. So in the danger zone for sure all next week. Today, here's the hour-by-hour look. 99, 100 degrees from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock or so. Starts to cool off. That's a relative term. It's still 90 degrees at 9 o'clock. And it's going to be cool, but to 80 degrees tomorrow morning. Here's a 10-day look at the forecast. Yeah, it's a broken record almost every day. We start to see some rain toward the end of next week. By Sunday, we should be looking at about a 20% rain chance, 30% on Monday. So that's going to be the trend going forward. So prepare for that. You're used to getting water often, so continue to do that over the next several days. It could be very dangerous for you. So be safe. We'll look forward to seeing you back here again tomorrow. Justin Stapleton in tonight. Be safe.